Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Yeah. Miss Fanbro, how are you doing today?
Good.
That much fun, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Is this Mr. Pugh?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Pugh, you're for the court charge of aggravated assault with a firearm, shooting into an occupied vehicle, possession, marijuana with intent to sell, deliver, or distribute, possession of a controlled substance, possession of paraphernalia, and possession of a firearm under the age of 18. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true, sir?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, I find you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
No, sir. Will I be able to talk to him? Will I be able to call and talk to him?
Probably not today. Definitely.
It's juvenile history, 22 resisting without disorderly battery, criminal mischief, battery times 2, 23 obstruction, false info on a missing person. That's it, other than these.
Aggravated assault, 50,000. Shooting into an occupied vehicle, 50,000. Possession of marijuana with intent to sell or distribute, 5,000. Possession without a script, 5,000. Possession of paraphernalia is 1,000, and possession of a firearm under the age of 18 is 25,000. Court date's going to be February 17th at 9 o'clock with random UAs, no contact directly, indirectly through a third party with the alleged victim. Good luck, sir.
Step to your right to the T. Give us 1 second, sir.
Okay. No name given.
Yeah.
I could probably mispronounce that. No name given. Look at Wes's beard. The thing is magnificent. Small animals can hide in that for days. Definitely a gator.
Well, I took 2 out this morning, sir.
His neck is warm no matter what. Temperature doesn't affect a man like that.
No, sir. All good genes, sir.
Oh, if I could grow facial hair like that, I would never shave.
Jordani, this one's yours.
Jordani, you're still under oath from the arraignment docket.
Yes,
Ask her to state her full name for me.
Dígale su nombre completo al juez.
Yes.
Jennifer Gomez Canal.
She's before the court charged. She's before the court charged prostitution. Does she understand that charge?
Está frente al juez acusada de prostitución. ¿Entiende el cargo?
Más o menos. Sí.
Sort of, yeah.
Okay. Well, I understand she's been given copies of paperwork and advised of her rights. Based on her application, she does qualify, and I'm going to appoint the public defender.
Entiendo que se le dio copia del papeleo y se le notificaron sus derechos. Según su solicitud, determino que califica y le asigno al abogado de oficio para que la represente.
Deputy, criminal history?
She has no tracking, no history.
How long has she been in Bay County?
¿Por cuánto tiempo ha estado en el condado Bay?
Panama City.
Aquí.
Here?
Una semana.
1 week. Or
4 días.
4 days.
4 days.
Bond set at 5,000. Court date's going to be January 13th at 1 o'clock in front of Judge Dyer.
Se le fija la fianza en 5,000. Su próxima audiencia va a ser el 13 de enero a la 1 en punto frente al juez Dyer.
Buena suerte.
¿El 5 de cuándo? Perdón.
The 5th of what? What was that?
Good luck.
Buena suerte.
That's what I said. Didn't say it like Groot did in that Corona commercial. Wayne, swear. Hey. Would be more natural. Ask her to state her full name for me, Jordani.
Dígalo de nuevo en voz alta.
Tylee Gómez Águila.
She's before the court charged with prostitution. Does she understand the charge?
Está frente al juez acusada de prostitución. ¿Entiende el cargo?
Más o menos.
Sort of.
It's a very common response. I understand she's been given copies of paperwork, advised of her rights. Based on her application, she does qualify, and I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent her.
Entiendo que se le dio copia del papeleo y se le notificaron sus derechos. De acuerdo con su solicitud, determino que califica y le asigno al abogado de oficio para que la represente.
Está bien.
Very well.
Deputy, criminal history? Shoot, we lost her.
She had an immigration issue. Oh.
What?
Were you talking about?
Ice hold? Ice hold?
No, she had an immigration issue in 24, no
In the
further
past-
track.
Gotcha. Bond set at 5,000. Court date's January 13th at 1 o'clock.
Se le fija la fianza en $5,000. Su audiencia va a ser el 13 de enero a la 1 en punto.
Buena suerte.
Okay.
Ok.
Give us 1 second, he went to get the other one. Red X, sir. State your name.
Matthew Vann.
Mr. Vann, you're for the court charged with violation of probation for an arson case in front of Judge Register. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Hatcher,
Yes, Judge, thank you. Your Honor, I understand the situation. Mr. Vann's got family that's in the room. He's been here, in the vicinity forever, he works, all that good stuff. However, I understand Judge Gay signed a warrant to be held with no bond. I can address that with Judge Gay at the appropriate time. I would, welcome Your Honor to change that if you would like. However, I'm also familiar with the rules and procedures that don't allow you to do
Okay.
that.
I can't fade that kind of heat.
No, sir, I know. My goal is to get a motion filed on Mr. Vann's behalf to take it up with Judge Gay in front of her. So we
Yeah,
can-
the court date I'm going to give is going to be the 12th at 9 o'clock, but obviously you can get something in front of Judge Register before then.
Judge Register, yes, sir. And my goal is, and because the allegations involve failing to do work hours, so I think it's something we can probably
Right.
resolve for him.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, good luck, sir. Y'all take care.
Step to your right to the T.
No bond, right?
It's the court date. Step on the T. When the green light comes on, sign. Next. Red X, ma'am. Face the TV. State your name.
Brittany Michelle Hing.
Ms. Hain, you're for the court on a violation of probation for what was originally a possession of controlled substance charge in front of Judge Gay. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Peskin is here on your behalf. We're going to give her a chance to speak on your behalf. Elizabeth?
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning, Ms. Ning. We are both aware that she has got a hold without bond, so I'm not going to argue that this morning, Your Honor. If we could just have the next available date, please.
Yes, ma'am. The court date I'm going to give is February the 5th at 9 o'clock, but obviously there might be some court dates that you may be able to find earlier than that. So good luck, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Peskin.
All right, thank you.
Step on the T. When the green light comes on, sign. Next. Red X, ma'am. State your name.
Ms. Fisher, you're for the court charged with possession of methamphetamine, possession of cocaine, and possession of paraphernalia. Do you understand the charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, you do not qualify for the service of the public defender's office, but the law recognizes your financial situation may change, in which case you can reapply later. You also have the option of hiring your own attorney or represent yourself. Deputy, criminal history, Ms. Fisher?
Him on probation with you for criminal mischief.
Case number, ma'am?
24-5249 MM.
All right, Ms. Fisher, on the possession of meth, bond is 5,000. The Possession of cocaine is 5,000. The paraphernalia is 1,000. Random UAs, court dates February 17th at 9 o'clock. And I'm signing a warrant for violation of probation, case 24-5249. Good luck, ma'am.
Step to your right to the T. When the green light comes on, sign for your copy. Red X.
Yeah.
State your name, ma'am.
Ms. Kitzmiller, before the court, are possession of methamphetamine, possession, grand theft, possession of paraphernalia, and a non-registered license plate. This is heinous. I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Sir.
Based on your application, I find that you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. So you have an attorney now. Any question about that, ma'am? Deputy Criminal History, Ms. Kitzmiller?
18 meth and insufficient funds. And some older 90s PWCs.
Bond said 5,000 the meth, 5,000 the grand theft, 1,000 the paraphernalia, and 500 the tag. Court date's going to be February the 17th at 9 o'clock with random UAs. Good luck, ma'am.
Step to your right to the T. When the green light comes on, sign. Wait, up on the X, state your name.
Cecil Sargent.
There you go. Yeah, we got a new position, huh? You like that, huh?
That's all they do?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Word needs to get out.
Nah,
I guess
because the warnings that the judges give, I mean, they kind of speak for themselves.
Yeah, but always like who's really gonna care? I think is just the general consensus. But now we're obviously
Yeah, he's been good at it all week.
all right, Mr. Swearington. Before the court, charged with violation of no contact. You understand that?
Yes, sir. I was under the impression that no contact was lifted on the 18th when I went to court on the misdemeanor. They said that the charge was gonna be dropped and the no contact was supposed to be lifted. That was back on the 18th. I go to court on the violation next week, the 15th. It was supposed to be all run together. That's what my violation was for that misdemeanor charge. So I was under the impression the contact was lifted.
No, you were wrong.
Yes,
So
sir.
5,000 on the no contact. Court date's January 13th at 1 o'clock. In case 24-6244, I'm revoking release. Good luck, buddy.
Next. State your name, sir.
Mr. Scott, you're before the court, charged with possession of cocaine, tampering with evidence, resisting officer without violence, and a violation of probation for what was originally a battery on a law enforcement officer. You understand those charges?
Yes.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork, advised of your rights. Based on your application, I find that you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
He gave you a public defender.
Yeah, I need a public defender, yes.
Okay, we got that. Bond set at 5,000 on the cocaine, 5,000 on the tampering, 2,500 on the resisting, and you're held without bond on the VOP. Your court date's going to be February 27th at 9 o'clock. Good luck, sir.
All right.
Step to your right to the T. When the light comes on, sign. State your name, sir.
Before the court, charge with violation of requirement for registration. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, sir. I guess so. Yes.
I think you've been given copies of paperwork, advised of your rights. Based on your application, if I qualify, I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. So you have an attorney now.
Okay.
Deputy Criminal History, Mr. Court.
This is an added charge. He's already in custody.
Court date's going to be February 7th.
What's the new?
You said 5,000?
I did.
Thank you. Step to your right to the T. When the green light comes on, sign. State your name.
Mr. Manning, before the court, charged with possession of cocaine with intent to sell or distribute, trafficking methamphetamine over 14 grams, and possession of paraphernalia. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
You indicate you're going to hire your own attorney or represent yourself. Is that how you're going to proceed?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Manning?
24 weapon or ammo by felon resisting, 23 marijuana over 20, controlled substance, para, domestic cruelty to a child, carry and conceal. 22 controlled substance, para, marijuana over 20, cruelty to a child. It goes back to 11 locally.
Bond said 25,000 on the cocaine with intent, 100,000 on the trafficking meth, 1,000 on the paraphernalia. Random UA's court date's gonna be February 13th at 9 o'clock. Good luck, sir.
Step to your right to the T. When the green light comes on, sign for your copy. Next. Red X, sir, state your name.
Marvin D. Moore, Jr.
Mr. Moore, you're before the court charged of possession of methamphetamine and possession of paraphernalia. Do you understand the charges?
Yes, sir, I do.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, I find that you do qualify. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you, so you have an attorney now. Deputy, criminal history?
Got him on bond in 2 felony cases and on probation and a DUI.
Yeah. All right, let's start with the bonds first.
They're gonna be both 24, 2007 CF and 3368 CF.
The VOP?
24, 4963 CT.
All right, Mr. Moore, on the possession of meth, bonds 5,000, the possession of paraphernalia is 1,000. In case 24, 49, 63 CT, I'm signing a warrant for violation of probation. In case 24, 2007 and 24, 33, 68 CF, I'm signing a revocation of release. Court date's gonna be February the 17th at 9 o'clock, new charges. Good luck, sir.
Step to your right to the T. And that's a wrap.
That's been a good 2 weeks. Hey, as a gift to you, stand proud. I'm gonna keep Judge Smith next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
You just want to see me.